guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time, but you know, I recently decided to get myself a new MacBook and I've been watching a lot of unboxings on YouTube, and I personally find them very fun and I really like to watch them, even though some creators aren't really well recognized or haven't done like the most professional unboxings. Mine clearly isn't professional whatsoever, but you know, I just had fun doing this, and I think YouTube should be about fun and not just about business and stuff. So I decided to do my own unboxing. So let's get right into it. So I decided to get the new M1 Pro MacBook Pro, basically the base model. So the one with the 512 gigabytes of storage and the 8-core CPU, I believe it is called. I don't really understand much of it, but yeah, moving on.
Can you keep a secret? Something I've been needing to tell you, but if you want to see.
My old MacBook, which you saw in the beginning of this video, was the MacBook Air 2019. It only had 128 gigabytes of storage, and it lately had been giving me a hard time with doing everyday tasks, so I decided to jump on the train of the new MacBooks, and you know, I let myself buy a new MacBook.
We don't need a witness, but you gotta give a little if you wanna get a little something from me. If you're ready to take my lead, I'll be what you see will stay with me. What you see will always stay with me. What you see will stay with me. Run away with me. Step into the waters. I can show you something. I'm hiding so that no one else can see. Can you keep a secret? Something I've been needing to tell you, but if you want to see, you gotta give it to me. You gotta give it to me. You gotta give it to me. Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only loving the dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. Tell me that you can see what I see, feeling wrapped up in the warmth of Sunday memories. But I don't even know what's next. But all I know is having the dreams, baby. What can I